Wait, am I guessing the natural or the lab? I think...
Lab.
I don't know.
Hi everyone, this is Sarah from Lauren B. Today we're going to be talking about a question that we get from you guys a lot is how can we tell the difference between a natural versus a lab diamond? On a weekly basis, we have thousands of clients coming into our doors, and as you guys know, lab diamonds have grown in popularity over the last couple of years. They're always asking us, can you tell the difference to the naked eye between a natural versus a lab diamond? The short answer is no. You cannot tell the difference. Let me explain why. The simplest analogy that I can give you guys is think about ice that is naturally formed outside versus ice that you find in your freezer. Technically, those two pieces of ice are identical. Chemically, physically, you would not be able to tell the difference to the naked eye. The main difference is how they were made. The ice that's made outside is formed naturally. The ice that you find in your freezer is machine made. Same thing goes for a lab and natural diamond. A natural diamond is formed in the earth over millions of years, whereas a lab diamond is made with advanced technology to replicate the process of a natural diamond. That is why, to the naked eye, they look exactly the same. So we already established that to the average person, to the naked eye, you cannot tell the difference whatsoever between a natural versus a lab diamond. Today, we're going to be joined by two of our expert Lauren B design consultants, Kimberly and Mike. They see thousands of diamonds go across their desk on a weekly basis. So we are going to leave it to them to show us how can we actually tell the difference between these two diamonds.
Hey guys, so the easiest way to tell if your diamond is natural or laboratory grown is with the GIA certificate. All of our diamonds, both natural and lab, are GIA certified, which is the strictest grading lab. So you will receive one with any of your diamonds. On this side of the page, it'll say laboratory grown or natural, along with all of the color, specs, inclusions, everything else that you'll see normally on the report. So not only is the GIA report number on your GIA certificate, it is also laser inscribed on each diamond. Using a loupe, you will be able to see the GIA report number on your stone, and if it is a laboratory grown stone, it'll say laboratory grown. You cannot see this by the naked eye, and you will need a special equipment, which is a loupe.
Another way to tell the difference between lab and natural is the type classifications. So we have these specific lab equipments which are very hard to come by, and what they're specifically looking for is the type 2A diamond. So the two types are type 1A, type 2A. Type 1A is almost only occurring for natural diamonds. Type 2A only occurs when a diamond is being formed in the cleanest lab environment, which usually means that it was formed in a lab.
One huge difference you'll definitely notice between lab and natural diamonds is the price. Lab diamonds are significantly less expensive than natural diamonds, and the bigger the carat weight, the greater the difference in price. For example, a 3-carat lab-grown diamond is priced around $3,000. A 3-carat natural diamond is upwards of $35,000 plus. Wait, am I guessing the natural or the lab? I'm guessing the lab.
I'm going to try to guess which is which using just my eyes. So here we have, I'm going to guess this one is lab.
So of course, visually can't tell. They're all eye clean. Is this one lab? No.
Lab.
Are they all natural? I think...
And maybe natural for this one.
So this one's lab.
However, obviously just using our eyes is not enough. So I do have a very cool machine that we have here, which is an advanced diamond tester. So this advanced diamond tester has the ability to tell the difference between the lab and natural, and you can't really purchase these on Amazon. So this one is natural diamonds. Okay, that was the first wrong guess. Second one is also wrong guess. And now the third one, this is natural. So I only got one guess correct.
So you know what's so funny? This one looked so perfect before. I was like, yeah, this is lab. But then it's very hard to tell.
Well, guys, as you can see, it is very difficult to tell the difference just by using naked eyes. Most experts will need a specialized equipment to tell the difference.
Whether or not you go for a natural versus a lab diamond is completely up to you. There is no right or wrong answer. Our design consultants at Lauren B are here to help you make that decision. If you are interested in seeing our inventory, you can make an appointment to come in and to see the difference for yourself, or you can also work with one of our design consultants remotely. You can check us out on laurenb.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and we will see you next time.